In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a logo to Square Invoice. Now, the first thing you have to do here on your dashboard, you want to go to the left and you want to scroll down to Settings. And when you click on Settings, you want to go on Account and Settings. And from here, you want to click on My Business. And then you want to click on the About button. Now, from here, you can see branding. So you want to click on Create New under Branding. And this is where you can basically add a full logo and a small logo. So as you can see, it says, of course, your logo and color will be reflected across Square, including on your receipts, invoices, etc. Okay, so I'm going to click on Add over here to add a full logo. Click on here to choose the file or just drop it there. I'm just going to find it. There we go. Here it is. I'm going to click on it and click on Open. Now, whenever you do this, of course, you can change how you want it to display. I'm just going to actually put it on like this. So that's how I actually want it to be. Of course, you can change the scale down here as well. Let's just do it like this. Okay, it's going to be fine for now. I'm going to click on Add top right, and it's going to add the logo like this. Now you can add a small logo over here as well if you want to. I'm going to do it like that as well. Let's see if it actually fits in here. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to click on Add, and there we go. We have a full and small logo. Of course, you can go and of course change your primary color here as well. I'm going to leave it like it is and click on Next. Now whenever you do that, as you can see, it's going to basically give you the option to preview and adjust. So for invoices, I'm going to actually leave the logo like this over here, and this looks good. So I'm going to click on Next again. And then over here, of course, you can select locations and click on Publish. Now this is going to basically publish everything. And as you can see here, this is now the branding, which is going to be printed on your invoices. So for example, if I now go to over here, so let me find invoices and payments, I can go to invoices. And then here, I'm going to click on invoices. I can create an invoice over here. And you'll see that if I actually create the invoice and then click on the preview button, it's going to basically give me the logo at the top of my invoice just like this, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.